Hello friends, I am Suman Dayal. Welcome to my channel in Programming Land. Today I am going to tell you how you can create a custom application in Salesforce Lightning. To do this, first you have to log in your Salesforce. So this is my Salesforce org. To create our new application, we have to type App Manager in Quick Find box. So type App Manager here. So you will get this option. Just click here on App Manager. So here you can see all applications are available, custom or standard one. So to create our new custom application, we have to click on this button, New Lightning App. Just click here. So this is the page. Here we need to type a application name. So I'm giving this application name as a My College. You can choose as per your requirement. So developer name, it will take itself. Here you can write the description which will describe to your application why your application is used for, right? So I am going to write this application is used for college management, right? You can write accordingly. So here is an option, you can upload an image to your application. Means it will show as a icon. This image will show as a icon in your application. So to upload your image, just click here. You can choose any of image from your system and just click on open. It will upload it here. So right now I'm not taking any image, I am just keeping as it is. Okay, so this is a blue color by default which will show in your application icon. If you want to change this color, you can choose any of color. So for example, just I am taking this green color, so it will reflect here. Okay, just check this checkbox if you want to make changes reflect in your application, like your image, your color. Okay, and just click on next button. So here you can see the app options, navigation and the form factor. Right, first if I'm talking about the navigation style, so first one is a standard navigation. What is standard navigation? So apps with standard navigation let you open a single record at a time. Okay, if I'm talking about this console navigation, so these apps with console navigation let you open multiple records at a time and related record open in sub tabs under the original record. Okay, so next option is supported form factor, means to which your application will be supported, like your desktop and phone or desktop only your phone. Okay, for now I'm just choosing desktop and phone. Okay, so now come to this option setup experience. So here also two options are available, setup and the service setup. So what is setup? So setup, or let me explain this service setup first. So what is this service setup? It contains the configuration related to service cloud setup, like your email to case, quick test, live agent, etc. So it does not contain the setup like roles. Okay, now if I'm talking about this setup, so what it is? So setup is the full setup, has everything including sales and services cloud setup. Okay, it is a complete set of the Salesforce org. It is like everything at a single place, you can say. Okay, so for now I'm choosing this setup because my application is not going for only service setup. Okay, so leave this as blank, app your personalized setting. You can choose as per your requirement. For now I'm not checking any checkbox. So after this, just click on the next button. So this is the utility items. Okay, so what are the utility items? So utility items are a specialized type of lightning page that gives your user quick access to common productivity tools like your notes and recent item. It appears as a fixed footer that user can access to open the utilities in dock panel. Okay, so suppose let me click here. If I want to add a utility item, so there is a list of utility item. Whatever you want to add, in your page you can select. Okay, like your flow, your history, notes, right? So it will appear as a footer like this on your page. For now I'm not choosing any of one, I'm just keeping as default. Okay, so just click on next button. Here is a list of our objects which are available in our org. If you want to choose any of object from here and you want to add any of one object from here to your application, then you can simply select. For now I'm not using any of one, I want to add only my home. Okay, so I want to add this home to my application, nothing else. I will add my own objects to my application. Okay, so for now if you want to select, for example, so I can take this account, okay, to my application. Just click here, add. If you want to change the position of this whatever you have selected, you can, suppose you want account up, then you can move like this, but now I want home at first, so I'm choosing this. So in this way you can set the position of your objects in your application. Okay, so after setting this, just click on next button. Okay, before pressing the next, there is a back option. If you want to make any change in the back, you can go for it. Okay, and you can make the changes in your application. So for now I'm not doing anything, and after this I'm just pressing this next button. So here the list of available user profile list is available. So user means profile means which profile will be able to see your application. You can choose from here, right? So for now I'm choosing this system admission. So system administrator can view my application, right? And I'm just choosing one more, that is a standard user. So in this way you can choose any of profile or list of profile as per your need to whom you want to show your application. Okay, so I'm just selecting two and just press save and finish. So just click here. So your application has been created. How you can see? Just find your application in this list. Our application name is My College. So here it is available. Okay. So how we can see our application, how we can open our application? So to open our application, just click here on app launcher. Here is the, just click on view all. So here you can see this is our application which we have created right now. Okay, just click here and we have chosen two tabs, home page, this is our home page, and this is our account. Okay, so in this way you can create your own custom application and you can add your own custom objects or standard objects to your application. So that is the way how you can create your custom application. Thank you for watching my video.